So now let's talk about the image editing tools. This is very popular right now. So this is Canva. As per Google, Canva is a free graphic design platform that allows you to easily create invitations, business cards, flyers, etc. You can even upload your own photos and add them to Canvas templates using a drag and drop interface. So we are already now in Canva. Okay, let's just click home. On the left side, you can see that home icon, which is the recommended templates that you can use. So, for example, you want to create a presentation, posters, Instagram posts, infographics, logos. For all your designs, you can see all your designs here. For shared with you, you can easily see the designs that is shared with you. For brand kits, you need to upgrade so you can see here we have brand logos, brand colors, and brand fonts. So all your folders, you can add folders here so you can easily see or organize your work. And this is the trash. So you can also invite your team members. On the top left, again, the home. For the templates, there are so many templates that you can use. For social media, we have Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook cover. You can also use this for personal use. You can use this for invitation, card, resume, postcard. For business, for you can use this for presentation, website logo, for marketing poster, flyer, infographic, brochure, newsletter. For education, again, worksheet, lesson plan, and then the trending. For the features, you can see all the features of Canva here. So for photos, they have a free photos background for icons, different icons that you can use, and then apps, print products, and you can also explore. The good thing about Canva is you can also learn personal branding here, graphic design, branding, and then tutorials, how to get started, and then blog. On the top right, you can easily search for the specific template or anything that you want to search here. And then this is the help center, the settings, and create design, and this is your account here. Let's just say that you want to create a design. You can custom the size here, and then you can also edit the photo here. So let's say that you want to create an Instagram post. So this is now the blank canvas. So if you click this one, you can add notes here, and then you can duplicate page, and then you can also add page. Don't forget to add title to your work. So let's just say Instagram post. And then on the left side, there are so many templates that you can use. So if you want to use a template, all you have to do is click on the template that you want to use and it will automatically show up. So let's just say this design. So you can easily hover over the different components of this canvas. So you can easily click on each component to edit and drag. But let's just say that I want to create a design from scratch. So I want it white. And then if you click on upload, you can easily upload anything here. So if you want to upload an image or video or anything here, you just click the uploads. And for photo, There's so many photos that you can choose from. Some of these are free and some are paid, and you can easily determine which photo is free or paid. So it's you can see here it's free and some are paid. So let's say I'm going to search for a pie and then just type pie, and then as you can see it's free and some are paid. So let's just say I'm going to use this one. You can easily adjust the photo right here like this and then like this, or you can just use the right click and then set image as background. And then you can easily adjust the photo, just double click the photo and then adjust. For elements, there are lots of elements that you can use. Some of them are even animated and some are free to use. And again, some are paid. If you can see the element that you want, you can simply type the specific element that you are looking for. So let's just say I'm looking for a square and then click this one. This is free. And then just put it here on the right side and then adjust the photo or the element. And then let's say that I want to change the color. Just click this one, color, and then I want it white. So that's it. Let's just say you want to adjust the transparency. You can modify it here. So like this. And let's add more elements here that you want to use. And then adjust. If you want to change the color, just change it here. For text, there are sets of text that you can use. Again, you just need to click this one, this text icon, and then or click the text that you want to use, and then you can easily adjust it here. And then, as you can see on the top toolbar, you can easily edit the font. If you want different a font, you can click it here. If you want to adjust the font size, the font color, and it can also be bold, italic, underlined, uppercase, lowercase, and then the alignment. You can also add list or numbers here, and you can also adjust the spacing here. Let's just say 2. You can see the spacing. Okay, this is 1.5. And then you can also add effects. So this different effects or this is curve one, this one. If you want to add audio, just click audio here, audio icon here, or the if you also want to add a video, just click this icon here. Like if you're making a presentation or you want to add video background, you just click it here. If you want to add background, and then for folders, create your own folder here. And then for more, you can also add external exponents like YouTube. So once you're done, you can easily share this. There's an option here. You can share a link to edit to use this work or use this as a template. And you can also share a link to view your work. And then you can also download your work. So for file type, you can download it as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4 video, and even GIF. You can make a bunch of different things using Canva. It's completely free and you can get a lot out of it in the free version. It's very simple, easy to use, and has a lot of pre-built content.